What's up? It's Cheption Mutai here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the two new features that are available on Photos app that comes inbuilt on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Stay tuned.
Are you looking for professional video production services? Request a free quote anywhere in the world on TechTubeStudio.com.
If you're new on this channel, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheptionyi.com to learn more. Now, let's get right into today's video. So, the two new features on Photos app that comes inbuilt on Windows 10 and Windows 11 is the Erase and Background Eraser feature. In this video, I'm going to walk you through these two new features. Make sure that you've updated your Windows software so that the new features will be updated on the Photos app on your computer. So once you've updated your Photos app on your computer, these new two features, which is Erase and Background Eraser, will appear on the Windows. So for this video, we will start with removing the background of this photo. So when you click on the background of the photo will be selected in few seconds, and you can see the message here saying that we found the background of your image and selected. So if I want to remove the background, I'll click on remove, and as you can see here, the background of my photo is removed. Now if I want to replace it with a white background, I'll click this, and as you can see, my background is now white. If I want a different color like red or green, I'll just select here, and as you can see, my background is changed to the color that I desire. Once I am done and I want to save the photo as a transparent PNG with a transparent background, I'll just click on Save As, Copy, and I'll save the photo as I wish. Another feature that is available on this software is the Erase feature. So let's say we want to remove the microphone as we see here on the photo here. So I'll just select the microphone, as you can see here, and then let's see what happens. And as you can see here, the microphone has been removed on the photo. So let's say you don't want anything in the photo. There are some like items on the photo that was captured, and you don't want those items to be visible on the photo. You just use this erase feature and it will erase. As you can see, it has erased the microphone, and if it's not clear, like the erasing is not complete, you can continue erasing until it matches the background of your photo, as you can see here. So as you can see, I have the photo and the microphone is no longer there. So you don't need a very expensive software right now to edit the background of your photo. You just need this Photos app on your Windows 10 and 11, and you'll be able to remove the background of your photo using this free app on Windows 10 and 11. And that is it on the two new features on Microsoft Photos app on Windows 10 and 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheptionyi.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheption Mutai.